Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot by button method in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this Google Chrome page. So using button method, you can take a screenshot. At the top of your tablet, you will see power button, volume down button, then volume up button. You have to press power button and volume down button together. Okay, see here. See here. You have to press power button and volume down button together. This is power button, this is volume down button. Just press them together. See here, screenshot is taken. Okay, once again I am showing. This is power button, this is volume down button. You have to simultaneously press these two buttons. No. You have to simultaneously press. See here. Yes, screenshot is taken. So in this way, you can easily take screenshot using button method. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.